first sad moment
Where?
of my life. It was at that square actually.
Oh, at Durbar
Where
Square.
we're going right now. And the vegetarian momos were filled with potato
Potato in the
And-
momos.
Potato
and
momos.
a lot of garlic. Like pure raw garlic.
That sounds like Sherpa momos.
Ooh. Okay, Sherpa.
Sherpa momos.
What is Sherpa?
Well, the Sherpas eat like pure garlic because it's like for the altitude. They eat fucking nothing but potatoes. They eat nothing but potatoes. My favorite place.
It's
Come
closed.
back later.
This is the same shop you were talking about.
Yeah.
Acha.
But it's a nice small camera.
It's a what?
It's a nice small camera.
This one, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really sweet. So just like this, I just hold a camera and I walk for a while.
Ah, okay.
Like rarely I would just turn the camera on, say a couple of sentences.
It's slow TV.
It's slow TV.
I got a text by one of my really good friends
Huh?
when I was rowing.
Huh?
Like in between sessions in the middle of the day, we'd like just sit on the couch and watch slow TV. And I
Oh,
gotta send him your channel and be like,
yeah.
I met this girl who.
So you put music in the background?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No, just like natural
No sound?
sounds. Natural sound.
Okay. Do you do the natural sounds as well?
So if you want to get your message out, this is your chance.
Huh? Yeah,
If you want
yeah.
to get your message out, you can narrate.
Yes, c'est pas ça. In Kathmandu.
Yeah.
I started every now and then doing reels for my Instagram because
Sweet.
I do I
Like to shoot.
document my travel with Instagram.
Uh-huh.
And I was thinking in the first moment I do like an audio and then put it behind the reel. I sat there half an hour trying to do this audio and then I was
Yeah.
like, okay, no, I'm just not doing it.
There's nothing worse than hearing the sound of your own voice.
Oh my god, yes.
Actually fucking atrocious.
Yes.
It was insane and I wanted to do it in English as well. I was just sitting there, don't know what to talk about and I was like, yeah, I'm singing it.
Yeah.
I just do sound like music and then I put like a lot of videos together.
I've done like a lot of, like in university, a lot of like projects where you have to like voice recording, and it would always take me. I would do like, 30 takes, and then just get frustrated and be like, you know what? I'm not even gonna listen to it.
And I'll
I'm
just
gonna
put it
record
out,
one,
yeah.
And I'm not gonna listen to it because every single time I listen to it, I'd find something wrong.
Right.
Like I could never just hear it and be like, yeah, that sounds right. That's a good one. Yeah, send that one out.
Yes.
Ready
Like you
for-
have
ready
to
for
detach.
deliberation.
You have to detach from the footage you created and not really worry about it because
Yeah.
And I had to, like, I was a student ambassador. So I went in schools and we did, like,
Ambassador.
promoting
Yeah.
science and natural science and stuff. And when Corona hit, we were like, okay, we need a different concept. So we started with podcasts.
okay.
And my friends still make fun of me for that podcast.
Aww.
Like they cut out parts of the podcast and they send it every now and then inside our group.
The ticket.
How do we get it for free?
I don't think so because
The thing
you
is,
like if they wouldn't have seen.
1,000 is a lot for one day.
Yeah.
1,000 rupees.
But like the entire day you how many times can a person come?
Yeah, okay.
Can you go inside things as well?
Yes, so you get to go to the museum and the temple and all these places with this ticket.
Okay. And you have a multiple entrance? No.
Multiple entrance until the end of the day.
Maybe we were just lucky yesterday that we got in without anything.
You want to do it or you want to keep walking?
I mean, I've been here yesterday, but in the end, you want to see it, no?
Right.
Like you want to see it.
No, I mean I
We can
already.
keep walking.
Are you sure? Like you want to
Yeah.
see it, no?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna. I want to hang out.
Like that is the priority, yeah. So we
I
can
mean,
just.
if you both want to do it, I can pay it. It's not about that.
Whatever you guys. I'm. Either way, we can. What do we?
The thing is, what is here? Like there are just a few temples, and then you have a look around, no?
Yeah. Yeah. So this is like a complex. We'll go to a few temples. Maybe we'll sit in one of the cafes. But that
Yeah.
is it.
I don't mind. I can pay it. It's not like that.
Why don't we go to? Where was the market you were talking about?
It's we can. I think we can just go from there. We can check it out.
Let's check it out.
Let's do
Okay. And I mean, if we still want to go, we can
Maybe,
still
yeah.
go.
it. Yeah.
And I'm wondering if we can maybe find another way.
We can find.
Maybe there's another way in if we go.
Ha. Could be na.
So funny that we just went into here yesterday.
Hmm.
And at night, it's really nice.
Yeah, I want to see it at night. Oh, they have what? Lapping.
Can you make do you make so much money from that you can live with it?
No. So YouTube is one of the gigs that I do. Like mostly I make money from videography services to like businesses. एक second I'll ask. भैया Asan market. Go straight. Take right. First right.
And you are going ask
Asan.
people.
You're going to ask people. Okay. Thank you.
I love it so much.
This one.
It took me so long to understand what it means.
Yeah.
It hurts my head. It feels so weird. It feels like I'm like banging my brain around.
And then, like naturally, we know the speed and the meaning of that speed. So, like if it's fast, head bob. That's like I absolutely agree. If it's slower, you're like maybe not. Yeah, and it's like universal language for us.
And wait, how did you say okay?
Like you don't really agree to
No,
it.
the word.
Acha.
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 Is that Hindi?
That's Hindi. But even acha can be used in like question form, answer form, statement. So if you say acha, that becomes a question. Acha, that becomes answer. Ha. Acha?
Yeah. Okay.
Ha.
Okay.
Acha. Acha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Acha. Acha.
Acha.
Acha.
Acha.
What do you use that for haggling?
Ha.
Acha. 500. Acha.
Acha.
Acha. 500.
Or like if you want to like question it further, you're like, acha. Like you can just play with tones however you like.
Because I was doing my yoga teacher,
Huh.
and I was with 4 Indian girls or something in the course.
Okay.
Is it
And then
Rishika?
yeah, and then I always did like I asked something and they did like
Yeah.
I'm like yes no you got it."
Here? Right?
Yeah.
I was like please. I'm like what's that?
How long were you in Rishikesh?
1 month.
1 month. Wow.
I mean the course was 28 days
Mm-hmm.
because I did the 300 hours. Like you can do the 200 or the 300.
Yeah.
And normally you have to do the 200 before the 300, but it gets really busy.
Okay, so you are now advanced practice yoga teacher.
Wow.
Wow.
So you can maybe do a seminar later.
Yeah.
So I don't have to go for a month. So I don't have to go for a month. You can just keep on.
I could, yeah. I could give a lesson. If you want, we can do a yoga lesson later.
Hmm.
I would definitely.
Oh, did we just get in from here? I think we got in.
Come on. Yeah.
Eat in yoga?
Yeah. Just you gotta like look up. You gotta act like you gotta. Act
Yeah,
like
it's
you
a
don't
part
know
of
where
us.
you
Yeah,
are.
yeah,
It's like,
yeah,
oh my
yeah.
God, wow, this is crazy.
Yeah.
But there is the entrance as well.
There is? Oh, yeah.
This is the entrance fee. You can just go in through the hall.
Just keep walking, maybe. Head on.
There's this guy who's
Yeah.
So is this, is it Hindu?
Yes, it's Hindu. I think we're good.
try walking down here.
Yeah. I agree. Okay, see you in a bit.